Another big day for the markets. Joining us now is Matt Kavanaugh, CMZ Trading, here with a trader rundown. Are you sensing a feeling of panic in the market yet?
Well, last week we were talking about there was a feeling of something different, and here it is a week later. The VIX is way higher. The stock market is way lower. You also have, along with those interest rate concerns, you've got stuff going on in China, stuff geopolitically going on. I think people really digesting that Fed hawkish speech that we were talking about. I do see a little bit of panic, but nothing crazy. I think the big tell is going to be on Friday afternoon. How do we close? Is there a panic for the gates? Are people rushing to sell whatever positions they have? Do you see the VIX exploding into the close? And maybe that'll give you a little bit of tell of the market. I have a feeling, though, before there was the Bernanke put, there was the Yellen put, there was a thought that the central banks would step in at the whiff of any downtick. I don't see that this time. So, most of these events over the last 10 years have been 1 to 2 day events. I feel like this is possibility that it could be longer, but that has been a losing proposition if you've made that bet.
Should investors at this juncture be worried? I know there's probably some people out there feeling like, ooh, should I start to sell? Mm-hmm. What do you think?
Well, that's such a blanket statement, and it's one of those where, are you 70 years old and you only have one stock, or are you 25, you're at the beginning of your career, you're diversified? It's one of those. But I'll say that for so long, there has been a perceived lack of risk in our system. And we talked about how these things unwind and, maybe getting back to a little bit more normal interest rate regime. So my thought is that a little bit of volatility is normal. A pullback for the market is normal. These are things that now everybody wants a 5-second or a 5-minute fix to. And quite frankly, if we have movement, that should be normal. So that should open up our opportunities. Don't take risks you can't afford. And the fact that your money has value and there's a little bit of interest rate, again, that's a good thing.
Thanks so much for helping us out today.
Thank you.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.